So guys, it's extremely warm, but I don't think these potatoes are growing anymore. It's not that I need potatoes at the moment, but I'm going to pull them and see what we've got. This is the Ruth Stout style. Now obviously I won't complete the Ruth Stout because I just did bury the potatoes in the ground because I had no broken down straw. So about the shadow, I'm trying to stand in the shade. But I think it's time I pull them and we'll see what we've got. These were planted after the Spudomatic, but as you can see, tops on these are pretty much done. The old slugs had that one. I mean, there is a bit of life in them, but is there enough? Let's take them and see. Now these potatoes were given to me by a lady from Shop Bought Potatoes. They are Charlotte's, and they were kept in a bag, and they'd all sort of started sprouting. So we'll see what we've got. I'm going to give her 2.5 kilos back. Let's hope there's more than 2.5 kilos. Oh, that didn't look very good, did it? 2 tinies. Oh, there. Now what I will say, there's 1 or 2 rotten ones. Might have been just too wet. It's like a little nest with eggs in it. There's another reason I'm taking them. I think the ones that are rotten is because the vole's been at them. In front of you can see it's got teeth mark. Yes, talking to his potatoes again, the neighbours think. If I were to leave them, the vole would definitely have a field day in here. Another rotten one. I think that was the mother potato. They keep coming. There you go. Better than I thought. I'd have to actually get a fork in there. Next year I will prep some beds. Well, this year. This bed even. Because I do like this method. Next time, obviously I won't bury it. Oh, here we go. What cool's that? Right, buddy. Again, vole damage. There's not lots of vole damage, but there's some. Like that one being completely eaten, look. Completely eaten by voles. Now, if I'd have left these much longer, I would have thought there'd have been a lot more damage, even though I did put a trap down in this bed. They're obviously in here and I'm not getting them. I've got one or two green-ish ones, but not bad. Not come off, not worried about a bit of green. Everything in moderation. I'm amazed at the size of some of these. So I think that's that. I've no doubt there will be some more in there. I will have a look tomorrow, because tomorrow I'll replant it up. I'll give these away just to see how much they are. That's a 20 litre bucket. Like I say, some have got some green on them. And the voles have had a few. But that, incidentally, is a 4 foot by 4 foot bed. And all the horns I will, burn. So I'm going to assume this bucket weighs £1. I'll try on both scales again. Oh, it's fallen over. That actually says £20. So we'll call it £19. I need to leave them out here now to dry a bit. Like I say, the vole had his evil way with some of them, but that's all I can say. I'll leave them there just to cure overnight. They don't get sun. Morning sun I might touch them, but I'm not washing them. What I'll sort out is any that are really particularly green, and I'll try and chip them and replant them in my buckets. There's some quite big potatoes in there. They've not been in as long as the Spudomatic. All these with bites out of them, we'll sort them out as well to eat first. The whole taste of nothing, just cut round it. There's green, a little bit green. But I'll sort some of them out for seed. Another one that's had a bite out of it. But yeah, not bad for free potatoes, eh? So guys, here's a quick look of how it went from a different angle. Now what I'm going to say is the vole's got some. I'm going to put a rake or a fork through it tomorrow and pull it all back, and then try and find any that I missed. And what I'll do is I'll put some of the small potatoes in vole traps and try and get the little bugger. But other than that, I'm quite pleased with it. There were free potatoes that were given us, and what I will also do is put buckets in and see how many buckets it takes to fill that, like the Spudomatic is, and I'll see how much I get out of that compared to that per bucket. Don't forget, thumbs up or a thumbs down, leave a comment, and it's always nice to be nice.